In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook app. Find the person's profile you want to follow. You can do this by tapping on the search bar in the upper right corner of your screen. Now type the person's name and click on his profile. When you're on his profile page, you'll see 3 icons: Friends, Message, and 3 dots. Tap on the Friends icon. Tapping Friends gives you options: follow, take a break, edit friend list, and unfriend. To start following, simply choose Follow. Following means that you will see person's posts in your news feed every time this person posts something. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.